Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between Pictory AI and InVideo AI. These are two popular AI-powered video creation tools that promise to save you time, reduce editing stress, and help you create professional videos, even if you're not a video editor. So in this video, I'll break down exactly what these tools are, what they're used for, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally the answer to the big question: is either of this the best AI video tool right now? Let's get started. With Pictory AI, it is an online AI video creation platform that's designed to turn text-based content into videos. You can paste in a script, article, blog post, or even upload a long video, and Pictory automatically converts it into a polished video using stock visuals and adding background music, captions, and AI voiceovers. The main idea behind Pictory is automation and simplicity. You don't need editing skills, timelines, or complicated controls. The AI handles scene selection, visuals, and captions for you. This makes Pictory especially popular among bloggers, YouTubers, educators, coaches, and marketers who want to repurpose written or long-form content into short, engaging videos. Pictory is not trying to replace advanced video editors. Instead, it's focused on speed, efficiency, and content repurposing. If your goal is to turn ideas or text into videos quickly, Pictory is clearly built for that workflow. Now let us talk about InVideo. InVideo AI takes a slightly different approach. While it also uses AI to generate videos from text prompts, it blends that automation with more creative control and manual editing options. With InVideo AI, you can type a prompt describing the video you want, and the platform generates a script, scenes, visuals, music, and voiceovers. But beyond that, InVideo also offers a more traditional video editor with timelines, transitions, and customization tools. InVideo is designed for a broader audience, including marketers, agencies, brands, and creators who want AI assistance but still want control. It's commonly used for ads, promotional videos, social media content, explainers, and branded storytelling. So right away, the difference is clear. Pictory focuses more on automation and repurposing, while InVideo focuses more on creative flexibility and AI-assisted editing. Now let us talk about the main features of each. For Pictory AI, it allows you to convert scripts and articles into videos automatically. You just paste your content in the box, and the AI breaks it into scenes with visuals that match the text. It also lets you turn URLs or blog posts into videos, which is great if you have already written content and want to expand into video. Another strong feature is video summarization. You can upload long videos like webinars or podcasts, and Pictory automatically extracts highlights and turns them into shorter clips. Pictory also includes auto captions, which makes your videos more engaging and social media friendly. It also supports voiceovers, background music, and scene resizing for different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Overall, Pictory shines when it comes to hands-off video creation. The AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Now let us talk about the main features of InVideo. InVideo AI focuses heavily on prompt-based video creation. You describe what you want, and the AI generates a full video draft, including script, visuals, voiceover, and music. One standout feature is AI avatars and voice cloning. This allows you to create presenter-style videos without showing your face. InVideo also includes a massive stock library with photos, videos, and sound effects, which gives creators more variety and polish. Another powerful tool is the text-based editing system, where you can simply tell AI what to change. For example, changing scenes, replacing visuals, or adjusting the voice. Now let us talk about the pricing of each. For Pictory, the pricing is in 4 tiers. There's a starter plan, professional plan, the teams plan, and an enterprise plan. For the starter, it costs $25 per month when billed annually. The professional costs $35 per month when billed annually. The teams plan costs $119 per month when billed annually. And the enterprise plan is a custom plan where you talk with them based on the size of your team and what you want to use Pictory AI for. Now for the starter and professional as well as the teams plan, you get a free trial to test out the platform before fully committing to it. And when you choose to pay annually, you save a 40% of the money that you would have paid. And the pricing for InVideo, there's the Plus plan, the Max plan, the Generative plan, and the Teams plan. The Plus plan costs $28 per month, the Max $50 per month, the Generative $100 per month, and the Teams $899 per month. When you pay yearly, you save up to 20% of the money. What are the pros and cons of using each of these platforms? For pros, we start with Pictory. It's extremely beginner friendly. It's excellent for turning text and long content into videos, and it has strong automation and captioning. The pros of InVideo: powerful AI video generation. It has AI avatars and voice cloning. It also has a huge stock media library. And the cons? For Pictory AI, the AI visuals sometimes need manual adjustments, and there's limited advanced editing control. And the cons of InVideo: the credit system can be confusing, because with each of the plan comes additional credit that might be bought at a particular price. It can also become expensive for heavy users, and there's a slight learning curve for beginners. So, having considered all this, which one is the best AI video tool? Honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you are a creator who values speed, simplicity, and automation, and your main goal is turning scripts, articles, or long videos into engaging content, then Pictory AI is an excellent choice. It's efficient, it's beginner-friendly, and it's perfect for consistent content production. On the other hand, if you want more creative freedom, advanced AI features like avatars, and the ability to manually refine your videos, InVideo AI is the better fit because it's especially strong for marketing videos, ads, and storytelling. And that's it for the review of InVideo AI and Pictory AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Runway ML, Descript, and Synthesia. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.